Okay, I did a complete video on Lumify for the eyes. You can check the complete video out, but look at this. This is a brand new use I hadn't thought of. Check it out.
I know the easiest way to get rid of redness from blemishes without makeup. Let me show you. I'm gonna take my eye drops. This is just Lumify, and I'm
just Lumify.
A dot.
If it can do this.
Blemishes and just press it in to the skin.
She's putting Lumify on the blemishes, and she'll wait for a period of time.
It's 9:52 now.
Okay.
And I'll come back and show you. Just let it sit for a couple minutes.
9:52.
It's 9:57 now. It's been 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
It's virtually gone. Unreal. Do you want to know?
It does look good. Now, could that work? Well, Lumify is an alpha-2 agonist. It constricts the veins. So this just could work. I haven't tried it. Have you? Educate me. Let me know. Does this hack work? It just could. It should.